So do you want me to plan your dream honeymoon under 50 to 60k and that too international? Then this video is exactly for you, because today I'm going to reveal one of the dreamiest yet budget friendly destination, and that is Vietnam. In this video, I'll cover everything you need. Why Vietnam is perfect for honeymooners, detailed 4-night 5 days itinerary, visa process, super simple for Indians, travel tips that save money, top romantic places to visit, and an exclusive honeymoon package. So make sure you watch the video till the end and hit that subscribe button so that we can bring most amazing travel videos for you. If you dream of Maldives like beaches, luxury resorts, Instagrammable cafe, romantic boat rides, and that amazing sunset views, but your budget is a bit tight, then this video is for you, because Vietnam can offer the complete trip in just 1/3 of the price. Vietnam offers 4-star beach resorts at budget prices, candlelight dinners and sunset cruises, spa treatments and couple massages, private tours in nature and historic cities. And the best part? Vietnam is a blend of adventure plus culture plus relaxation plus romance. Just imagine a sunset cruise in Ha Long Bay, romantic walks in lantern-lit Hoi An streets, basket boat rides in the coconut forest, candlelight dinner in a cave or riverside cafe. Picture perfect moments on the Golden Bridge at Bana Hills. So whether you want peace, party, adventure or culture, Vietnam is perfect for every type of couple. Vietnam itinerary 4 nights 5 days explained in detail. Now let me break down a 4 nights 5 days itinerary under a budget of 21,000 per person. Day 1. Arrival in Hanoi. Airport pickup, hotel check-in, evening walking tour of Hanoi's old quarter, try street food, shop in night markets, visit Hoa Kim Lake. Enjoy the hustle and culture. Try the water puppet show. Day 2. Ha Long Bay cruise. Breakfast at hotel, morning pickup for Ha Long Bay, full day cruise. Kayaking, bamboo boat ride, explore limestone caves, lunch on cruise, scenic photo stops and deck time, evening return to Hanoi, night at hotel. Day 3. Half day Hanoi city tour plus optional spa. Visit Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, One Pillar Pagoda, Temple of Literature, free afternoon, book a couple spa, massage session, explore cafes or visit Hanoi Train Street. Day 4. Ninh Binh day trip. Breakfast at hotel, travel to Ninh Binh, and the highlights are Tam Kok boat ride through caves and limestone cliffs, Bich Dong Pagoda, Mua Cave hike for panoramic views. It's great for couple photos. Lunch included. Return to Hanoi. Day 5. Departure. Breakfast, airport drop-off, optional. Visit local market if flight is later in the day. This 5 days itinerary gives you nature, history, romance, food, and a mix of slow and exciting experiences. All hotel stays are in 3-star or boutique properties with couple-friendly setups. You can also upgrade to 4-star beach resorts or add destinations like Hoi An or Da Nang by extending your trip. Vietnam visa process for Indians. Great news! Vietnam offers a super easy e-visa process for Indian passport holders. Here's how to apply. Apply for a 30-day single entry e-visa, upload passport, scan plus photo plus pay approximately Rs 2,000. Processing time is usually between 3 to 5 working days. Important tips for Indian travelers. So apply for visa at least 2 weeks before the travel. Take the printout of the visa because immigration officers usually ask for the hard copy, and this visa is valid for both honeymoon trips and tourism. Once you land in Vietnam, just show your passport plus e-visa print at immigration and you're good to go. It's one of the most hassle-free visa experiences you can get. Important travel tips for Indians visiting Vietnam. Currency and exchange. So the currency is Vietnamese dong. Bring USD from India and exchange locally for better rates. Avoid exchanging in airports. Instead, go to the local shops in Hanoi for better exchange rates. Cards and ATMs. Use AgriBank ATMs, lowest transaction fees. Carry cash for small shops and street food. Mobile and internet. Buy a local SIM at the airport. Unlimited data packs cost rupees 500 or less. Ensure your phone is locked. Transport. Download Grab app for taxis, food delivery and bike rides. Avoid taking random taxis from the street. Food. Must try pho, banh mi, spring rolls, egg coffee. Vegetarian. Stick to Indian restaurants of request, no meat in local cafes. Safety. Vietnam is generally safe, just be alert in crowded places like night markets. Keep your passport and money secure. Best places to visit for couples. So here is a very useful list of romantic and unique destinations in Vietnam. Number 1. Hanoi. Old quarter, lakes, street markets, perfect for food, culture and walking tours. Ha Long Bay. Sunset cruises, limestone islands, kayaking and relaxing on deck with your partner. Hoi An. Lantern lit evenings, riverside dining, famous for tailored clothes and photo spots. Da Nang. Beach city plus access to Bana Hills. Golden Bridge is a must visit. Ninh Binh. Ha Long Bay on land. Tam Kok boat rides and scenic hills. Sapa. For hill lovers. Rice terraces, cool weather. Phu Quoc Island. White sand beaches, luxury resorts, best for longer honeymoons. Honeymoon special package. If all of this sounds exciting to you but you don't want the stress of planning, then we have got something for you. The complete trip costs only rupees 50 to 60,000. Just comment down Vietnam below and we'll send you the complete package details. So we are offering the early bird discounts for only 20 couples this month.